Number 6, you don't need to understand every word. A lot of students, when they're doing the reading test, think they need to understand and read every single word in the passage. Well, this is 100% not true, and it's going to waste your time and cause you stress, especially when you don't know the meaning of a word. If you do this, you probably won't be able to finish all of the questions in time. So instead, you should only be focusing on the areas of the passage where the answers are located. And if you do happen to see a word that you don't understand, you've got two options. So if you don't know the meaning of a word, ask yourself, will knowing the meaning help me get the answer right? If the answer is no, well, you don't need to worry about that word. It doesn't matter. It's not important. Don't waste your time on it. However, if knowing the meaning will help you get the answer right, well, you need to guess the meaning. Try to guess the meaning by looking at the context, and that means looking at the words before and after the word that you don't know the meaning of.